Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. This video, I will draw a Halloween theme drawing. So first I am drawing a magic pot with a magical portion in it. Wow! Looks like magical portion is done. Now I am drawing a cute little witch. First I draw her broomstick. Now her hare's mouth and her big witch cap. Now our favorite Halloween pumpkin. Draw a spider. Wow, Halloween, scary giant spider. And how can we forget spiderweb drawing? Spider is incomplete without her web. Now I am drawing a cute Halloween bat drawing. With her vampire teeth. At the end, I will draw our favorite Halloween ghost. Wow! Our Halloween theme drawing is done now. I will add some small stickers in my drawing. Some flowers, leaves, and heart stickers. Now I will start coloring. First, I will color in Magic Pot. Now I will color in our cute little witch. It's time to color our Halloween pumpkin with orange color. it's it's turn for our spider and her web. Let's color now, our cute little bat. Now, at the last, I will color in our cute ghost. Wow, our Halloween drawing is looking so beautiful. Bye-bye.